Move your leg.
There's Cody up on the fort.
Sumo!
Captain Hunter. Go over there so you can swim.
I'm doing this.
Nice job. Oh, come on.
I can see your butt. I can't see him. That's an HD.
Try tearing him to pieces. Hey, hey, hey.
He just bit him in the butt.
All right. Quit that. You guys.
Are you biting him on the throat?
You got... Buddy.
Buddy, stop.
Cody. Cody.
Fatty, you're fat. I believe I can fly. That'd be sad. I bet he could actually
Jump.
jump. Oh, yeah.